Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling something simple yet super useful: how to hide the recycle bin on your Windows desktop in 2025. Whether you're aiming for a cleaner workspace, protecting sensitive files, or just experimenting with customization, this quick guide has got you covered. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're on a Windows machine. This works on Windows 11 or later versions expected in 2025. Start by right-clicking on an empty spot on your desktop. A context menu will pop up with various options. From there, select Personalize. This will open the Settings app, where you can tweak your system's appearance. Once you're in the Settings app, navigate to the Personalization section. Look for the Themes option on the left sidebar, and then click on Desktop Icon Settings. It's usually right there under the Themes tab. In this window, you'll see a list of desktop icons, including the recycle bin. Simply uncheck the box next to Recycle Bin to hide it from view. After that, hit Apply, and then OK to save your changes. Poof! Your recycle bin should disappear from the desktop instantly. But don't worry, if you ever need to access it, you can always bring it back by reversing these steps or searching for it in the File Explorer. One quick tip: hiding the recycle bin doesn't delete your files, it just removes the icon for a tidier look. If you're on a shared computer, this can help keep things private. Remember, Windows 2025 might have slight variations, so if something looks different, check the official Microsoft support for updates. There you have it, hiding the recycle bin in under a minute. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a like, drop a comment below with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more 2025 tech hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tech savvy.